Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Genesis Electrified software using the Genesis Connected Services app. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Genesis Connected Services app on your smartphone. Ensure your vehicle is parked and the ignition is turned on. Sign in to your Genesis account if you haven't already. On the home screen, locate the Vehicle section. Tap on a software update within the Vehicle section. The app will check for available software updates. If an update is available, a prompt will appear. Read through the update details carefully. Tap Download to begin the update process. Ensure you have a stable internet connection during the download. Once the download is complete, the app will notify you. Follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the installation. The vehicle's systems will begin updating. This process may take several minutes, so please be patient. Do not turn off the vehicle during the update. After the installation is complete, the vehicle will reboot. You will receive a notification confirming the update status. Once confirmed, you can exit the app. Your Genesis Electrified will now have the latest software version. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.